10 simple tips that will help you create viral content. Let's go. Hello everyone, welcome to QuickCut. I'm Dom and today we're gonna go through 10 vital tips that if you follow, you'll be able to create content that goes viral. Tip number 1 is all about knowing your audience. It's like the foundation of your content creation journey. Understanding your viewers, their preferences, and their problems is key to creating content that resonates. To do this, you can start by looking at your analytics to see who's already watching your content. Dive into demographics and interests. Social media surveys and engagement can also provide valuable insights. Let me give you an example. If you find out that most of your viewers are interested in tech, tailoring your content to suit their tech-related needs will keep them coming back for more. Successful content doesn't just happen by chance, it's a result of strategic planning. So create a content calendar to keep yourself organized and on track. Consider using tools like Trello or Google Calendar to schedule your content releases. This way, you can maintain consistency, which is crucial for building a loyal audience. Tip number 3 is a golden rule: quality over quantity. It's tempting to churn out content as fast as possible, but the value you provide matters more. A single well-crafted video can outperform multiple rushed ones. Remember, quality content not only attracts more viewers, but it keeps them engaged and coming back for more. So take your time, research, and put your best effort into each piece of content you create. However, you can speed up your growth with creating shorts alongside your full-length videos. You can make the shorts out of your already made long videos to tease your audience to watch the full ones. And the good news is that you don't need to spend hours re-editing your videos into shorts. QuickCut will generate them for you with AI. All you need to do is to upload the video and QuickCut will do the rest. Tip number 4 is all about SEO, or search engine optimization. It's like the compass that guides new viewers to your content. Start with keyword research to find out what your audience is searching for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you discover valuable keywords. Then, strategically place these keywords in your video title, description, and tags to improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Number 5, engaging with your audience. Interaction is key to building a strong community. Respond to comments and create content that invites participation. Ask questions, run polls, and hold contests to keep your viewers engaged. When you acknowledge your audience and involve them in your content, you're building a loyal fan base. Number 6 is about making your content visually appealing. We all know that a picture is worth 1,000 words, so imagine what great visuals can do for your content. Design eye-catching thumbnails and use graphics and images that enhance your message. Tools like Canva and Adobe Spark can be a game changer for creating professional-looking visuals. Tip 7 is all about storytelling. Storytelling isn't just for books and movies, it's for content creation too. Your audience connects with stories on a personal level. Share your experiences, struggles, and victories. Craft a narrative that keeps your viewers engaged and emotionally invested in your content. A great story can make your content unforgettable. Tip 8 emphasizes consistency and scheduling. Imagine your favorite TV show suddenly changing its airtime without notice. It would be frustrating, right? The same goes for your content. Create a posting schedule and stick to it. Consistency builds anticipation and trust. Your audience will know when to expect new content from you, and that's how you keep them coming back for more. Tip number 9 is all about promotion. Your content is like a hidden gem until you share it with the world. Use social media, collaborate with other creators, and engage in cross-promotion. Making shorts for this purpose is also very useful. Another feature of QuickCut can help you write engaging and optimize social media posts with the help of AI. This function is called AI Copilot, and it's powered by GPT 4.0 to give you the best results. Don't be shy about self-promotion. Share your content on relevant platforms and watch your viewership grow as you get the word out there. Last but not least, tip number 10, analyze and adapt. Your content journey is a continuous learning process. Always keep an eye on your analytics to see what's working and what isn't. Use tools like Google Analytics and YouTube Analytics to track your performance. Adapt your content strategy based on what your data is telling you. Remember, growth comes from making improvements. And that's a wrap for our 10 pro tips for exceptional content creation. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow content creators. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content creation tips. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.